Let's go find the pretzels. To start off, I just picked up a pack of goldfish crackers, a box of cereal for the children's breakfasts, 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese, and I got a box of crackers for lunches, and then I got some breakfast bites just for a special treat for them, and reduced fat cheese crackers. I really like those crackers because they're good, obviously. A box of pasta, spaghetti noodles for some dinners, and then 2 containers of reduced sodium chicken broth for a couple of our recipes we have this week. I got 2 or 3 packets of brown gravy, and I picked up 2 fruit snack pouches for the children they were supposed to eat them on the ride home, but I forgot. Potatoes. We were all out of salt, so I picked up more salt. I also got 2 things of ketchup, 2 things of pickles because the children we found out that they both really love these pickles, so I picked up 2 jars of them this week. A jar of crushed tomatoes for another recipe we're doing this week. One jar of traditional pasta sauce for pizzas. Some queso for our tacos. And then some Cheese Whiz just to go on top of our broccoli whenever we eat the broccoli. I got 1 creamer because you have to have creamer for your coffee. Just another pack of the gravy. We got a bag of chicken wings because we're having chicken wings this weekend. One of our favorite meals is making chicken wings. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts for dinners. Chicken nuggets for the kids' lunch. French fries that we will eat with our chicken wings. Two bunches of bananas. Zoe had already eaten half of one, so I just tossed it up there with the rest of them. Some more oil because I knew we would be using a lot for frying up the wings. Has anybody tried an air fryer? I would love to know how you like your air fryer. Also black beans to go with Mexican. Some small flour tortillas because I do plan on making taquitos this week. Red potatoes. Apples for the kids. Sharp cheddar cheese just to go on top of meals, and then mozzarella cheese for our pizzas. Burgers for our burgers and mashed potatoes and gravy meal this week. Some organic whole milk, and I actually made yogurt with this milk. Whipped cream cheese for the children's bagels for their breakfast. Butter. Always have to get more butter. And then another pack of hot dogs for the kids because they were out. I got 2 blocks of cheese. I'll cut these up and serve them with lunch meat for the children for lunches. They like to call them their Lunchables, so they enjoy that meal. Veggie chips for the kids' lunch. And veggie straws. Tortilla chips for our tacos. Two bags of spinach. I try to put spinach on every one of my lunches. Egg noodles, because we're going to do a chicken and noodle recipe this week. pretzel sticks for the children's lunches, a Little Caesar salad kit that I actually opened up and ate that day for lunch, some brioche buns for our barbecue chicken burger thingies, mini bagels for the kids' breakfast, and then flatbread for my lunches. Turkey breast sandwich slices for Nate's sandwiches and the kids' breakfasts. The kids love these pork sausage patties for breakfast. And then I got 2 packs of these chicken leg quarters. It was like $4 each pack. And I got 1 pack of chicken and drumsticks. And all of this came out to a total of $160 after taxes. Our taxes here are outrageous. It was like $14 in taxes. But that is all for today.